Chapter 18. Growing Together with Lean. One of the best things about Lean is that it's not just for one person, it's for the whole team. When everyone works together to improve, we grow faster and get better results. At my company, we help each other by sharing ideas and learning from one another. It's like being on a sports team where everyone's working toward the same goal. When we share improvements, it's not just about making things easier for ourselves. We're making things easier for everyone. We might find a faster way to do something, organize the space better, or think of a new way to solve a problem. By sharing these ideas, we all get to learn and improve together. This teamwork makes Lean fun. When we all support each other, we feel proud of what we accomplish and excited to keep going. Lean helps us be better friends and teammates because we're all in it together, helping one another every step of the way. Try it out. The next time you think of an idea to make something easier, share it with a friend or classmate. When you work together, you'll see how much more you can accomplish as a team. The one thing. Sharing is better than just getting. Helping others by sharing ideas, time, or things you've learned feels amazing. When we give to others, we all grow and make things better together. Win with Lean. Think of something helpful you can share with a friend. Maybe an idea, a tool, or a trick that makes things easier. Sharing brings you closer and makes everyone's day better. The Lean Takeaway. In Chapter 18, we learned that Lean is better when we do it together. When we work as a team and share our ideas, we all improve faster. Teamwork makes Lean more fun, and together we can make anything better. Chapter 1 taught us the Lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in Lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 taught us to keep spaces clean. Chapter 11 taught us to start with simple things. Chapter 12 taught us to keep improving. Chapter 13 showed us that we should continue to learn new things. Chapter 14 taught us the 3 key points in Lean. Chapter 15 taught us to always ask why. Chapter 16 taught us that Lean takes practice. Chapter 17 showed us why it is important to organize your things. Chapter 18 taught us that teamwork makes everything better. Now let's go to Chapter 19.